सैम सांबाळ्ळो जाल्यार गोंय साल्वार जातलें हे उद्देश घेवन फाटलीं कितलींशींच वर्सां सैमाच्या रक्षणाक वावुरपी फादर बॉलमॅक्स परेरा संवसाराक अंतरले. 2 दिसां फाटीं ते वास्को रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर काळजाच्या आतकान कोसळिल्ले. जीएमसीत तांचेर उपचार सुरू आशिल्ले. दोतोराच्या यत्नाक ताची भलायकी साथ दिनाशिल्ली. मंगळारा फांतोडेर तांणी निमणो श्वास घेतलो. चिखले सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर चर्चीत ताची कूड निमण्या दर्शनाक दवरतले. 28 मायाक निमणे संस्कार.
Yeah, today morning at around 4:30 a.m. Father Bolmax Pereira expired, and he was admitted with us for the last 2 days following a syncopal attack. Subsequently, he was brought to Goa Medical College after resuscitation at a private hospital. He was doing well. In the evening, he was talking. He was even had his meals. But at around 10:30, day before yesterday, in the night, he received a massive cardiac arrest, and subsequently he was revived again. Then again, he had to be put on a ventilator for oxygen support. But unfortunately, today morning at 4:30 a.m. Father Bolmax was no more.
जेव्हा ते issues घेताले, whether it be environmental issue or protection of Goa, they were something that he was trying to make a difference to the state of Goa and Goinkar. आज तांचे अशे passing away, the way he passed away today is unfortunate.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.